Hello and welcome to today's video where we will be discussing one of the most pressing issues facing our planet today, climate change and environmental issues. What is climate change? Climate change is the gradual increase in the Earth's average surface temperature due to the increase in greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide, methane and nitrous oxide. This increase in temperature leads to changes in weather patterns, rising sea levels, melting ice caps and increased frequency and intensity of natural disasters. Environmental issues. In addition to climate change, there are several other environmental issues that are impacting our planet. These include deforestation, pollution, loss of biodiversity, overfishing and plastic pollution. Deforestation. Deforestation is the destruction of forests on a massive scale. Trees absorb carbon dioxide from the atmosphere, and deforestation leads to an increase in carbon dioxide in the atmosphere which contributes to climate change. Additionally, deforestation destroys habitats for countless species of plants and animals. Pollution. Pollution is the introduction of harmful substances or products into the environment. Pollution can take many forms including air pollution, water pollution, and noise pollution. Pollution can have a significant impact on human health, leading to respiratory issues, heart disease, and cancer. Loss of biodiversity. Loss of biodiversity is the disappearance of species of plants and animals at an alarming rate. This loss of biodiversity is primarily caused by habitat destruction, overfishing and hunting. The loss of biodiversity can have far-reaching consequences for our planet, including the disruption of ecosystems and food webs. Overfishing. Overfishing is the practice of catching too many fish from a body of water. Overfishing leads to a decline in fish populations which can have serious consequences for the health of our oceans and the fishing industry. Plastic pollution. Plastic pollution is the accumulation of plastic waste in the environment. This waste can take thousands of years to break down and has a devastating impact on wildlife. Additionally, microplastics have been found in our drinking water and are believed to be harmful to human health. Conclusion. Climate change and environmental issues are some of the most pressing issues facing our planet today. We all have a role to play in reducing our impact on the environment. Whether it's reducing our carbon footprint, recycling more, or supporting policies that protect the environment, we can all make a difference. Thank you for watching today's video and we hope that you'll join us in taking action to protect our planet.